So again now, switch it on. Oh, nice. So on the other day, we just worked out the problem for the matrix representation of J square, and you have got our answer. You have got our answer. Answer is for J square it is 2 cross square 1 0 0 0 1. This is the answer. Now already on the other day I asked you to go and check the other 5 operators and their matrices. Have you tried it over or not? Have you checked it or not? So I hope you are right with those answers. Answers means those matrices. If you are sure with that, now we can go for addition of angular momentum. But before that, it's an exercise for you to do the same thing for the spin. The spin matrices. The spin matrices. Very important problems are there in spin as well. You have to go for the examples in spin. If you are asking me, sir, please send as notes for that spin as well, I will send it to you. If you do ask me, sir, please send notes for spin as well, then notes is ready with me. But if you do go and search for the notes, then you will learn more. That's my idea. If you yourself go for the notes for spin, then you yourself can learn more. If I do send the notes to you, you will not learn more. You will be with that only. I will send you some notes. You will read and you will be ready with the notes alone. Anyhow, I will give 2 days time for you. Friday you will be coming back. Am I right? Thursday, right? Thursday you want to come with the problems and answers for the spin matrices as well. Now, what is it? இதில் வைக்கணுங்களா காதில் வைக்கணும் போகல வச்சுன்னா பாட்டு வந்துடுங்களா அவ்வளோதானே இது okay, it's already you are there, I am here, no problem will be there, and I will not split, I will not split, right? I am strong enough. I will not do that. Okay. Now, the problem is, as I said, the first unit is being divided into, already I told you, the first unit is divided into number 1, orbital angular momentum number 1, number 2, matrix representation of quantum mechanical operators, third one is addition of angular momentum. Now we are on the stage. Addition of angular. No problem, we will send on the tests. Addition of angular momentum is an important thing. Is a lengthy one. It will consume much of your time. No doubt in that. How to consume much of your time to start with? If you want me to say, I will say it like this. To solve one problem in this, it will take at least half an hour. In the examinations, as you know well, we are having 3 hours. Part C, how many questions you have? 5 questions. if you do take half an hour for this problem to solve, and if you do get the answer, it's okay. After spending half an hour, if you don't get the right answer for that, then they will score it out. Half an hour will go. The marks will also go up. So there is a big thing, but you can solve these things in many ways. I have one way to solve this. Addition of angular momentum. Now we have to have our own introduction about what is meant by addition of angular momentum. Angular momentum, you can say L, S or J as well. J is the I am just asking you what is J. J is I'm simply asking J. J is the Muthulishmi. Right, please. J is the you need my what's very plain blackboard, very plain. Your mind, your top should not be as black as this. Some white dots have to be there as notes. J is the total angular momentum. You said like that? Nice. J is the total angular momentum. J is equal to, we have to start with that. J is equal to, yes. J is equal to, you go in this PDB, I can go for many things in addition of angular momentum to you. If you don't say anything on that, then many things will not reach you, unfortunately. J is equal to? Okay, J is equal to J1 plus J2. Any other thing? L plus S. Any other thing? These two are utmost important. We have to start with these two things. There is one difference in between J1 plus J2 is equal to J and L plus S is equal to J. Can anyone say that? L is, you know it as L, orbital angular momentum. S, you know it as spin angular momentum. Addition of these two will give you total angular momentum. The problem over. If you do call it as, if you do name it as number 2, the problem will over. Now what is the point? J is equal to J1 plus J2 as said by this girl. What's the inference of this equation number 1? J is equal to J1 plus J2. So, have it to be here? Am I right? In that case? Am I right now also? To some extent? Okay. And here? Only? Not beyond this. Okay. J1 plus J2. On yes, please. J1 plus J2. Hey, any. I myself, I have been speaking to me many a times. I have been speaking to myself, to me many a times, trying to say all these things many a times, because I want to strengthen myself first, because I am actually delivering all these things to you. Now, more particular, I am sending it in YouTube as well. Whole world, anybody can say this. So I have to say it correctly. So I have to be strong for that. So I am asking you the starting point. J is equal to L plus S, good, and J is also equal to J1 plus J2. These things are two special cases. Two special cases. Equation number 2 stands for one case. Equation number 1 stands for one case. Suppose I can give you, spontaneously I can give you one example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 students are here. Right? Suppose only one student is here. Then also I have to teach. Right? Now 11 students are here. 200 students are here. 2000 students are in a big auditorium. The same man will speak for that. Maybe in a mic, maybe in an amplifier, and etc. etc. Now you come back. I teach. If there is only one boy or girl, also I want to teach. I am teaching. Then I want to know about the interaction of that one. Suppose you consider yourselves as an treat yourselves as you understand this poor English or not? First of all, understand, I am not adding any big word in that, right? You treat yourselves as an. See, we are in quantum mechanics. What could I go to say? What I could have said? You treat each and everyone as an. Treat you yourself as an man. I put already. In general, in our subject in physics, in quantum mechanics, and you need to put it in. You can say at least one thing. See, and I want you to say one word. Treat you yourselves as an. This is the biggest fast method wherever I speak, irrespective of the audience. Is very, very unfortunate, irrespective of the audience, whether the audience are very big teachers of a college or very big institute, many places, they don't say anything. What do they know? What you want to say, please say. I correct you whether it is right or not. Please try to say. You say orbit? Yes? Audience. Audience? I want it in terms of quantum mechanics. Yes, please. Everyone operator. One says audience for A, another says since it is again A, she puts O, operator. A-E-I-O-U, I think, right? So she goes in that way. Very intelligent. Nice. I don't deny. Then don't go for your word starting from A-E, I-U. Then don't go for that, sir, right? It's very, very simple, my dear. You treat yourself. We are actually dealing with, in quantum mechanics, we are actually dealing with. Yes, please. We will kill the time like anything. I know well all you are. We will kill the time as well, me even if possible. Now, I go back to that scene. If there is only, I was telling that story, if there is only one student, then that student can be treated as an atom. Oh God, right? The student can be treated, has to be treated as an atom. Now, I am coming for that example, my dear children, you have to say it fastly. It's nothing to say, nothing is hard in that. You are not saying that. Right. Now you go for that one-man army. Now, in that army, he may be having electrons, protons. In an atom, in an atom you are having electrons, protons and neutrons. Now, as per the second equation, in that atom, as he said, L stands for orbital angular momentum of an electron. I want to train you very precisely, but unfortunately we don't want precisely. Precise spelling, sir. Oh, nice. Orbital angular momentum of an electron, L. The job over with that. And then what is said? Yes. Spin of that electron again. L and S. You might have seen second coupling. LS coupling. Have you not heard about this? You might have heard about this. JJ coupling, LS coupling. Then this is one. Yes. Suppose in case the spin of that electron is equal to 0, if it has no spin, then you may have to deal with the orbital angular momentum alone. Then there may be no addition. So the addition of angular momentum need not be there, but one more person is there in the atom. As we said, electron, proton is also there, So you can go for the interaction, or in other words, disturbances by the other elements of the atom to this man. You have to consider, if you have to give importance to all these, then you have to add all this. Okay, J, the total angular momentum is equal to L plus S. L stands for the orbital angular momentum, S stands for the spin momentum for the same electron in that atom. Now go for the equation number 1, J1 plus J2. Now you tell me what the J1 stands for and what the J2 stands for. J1 stands for, yes please. Yes please. Eigenvalue. Capital J is equal to J Is it eigenvalue? These two, J1 and J2, are two I used to say the words and in between I stop. J1 and J2 are two. Now, as I go back for that example. I said only one student is here. Now I say two students are there. Two atoms are there. That's all do all the elements have only one atom? No. You give me the case for one electron atom. One electron atom. Give me an example. You give me an example. Yes, please.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Oxygen. Why hydrogen is almost, I am very much particular to say why we are, and not we people, why scientists used to take, similar to hydrogen, they used to take another atom. Can you say why they are choosing those atoms? Why they are selecting those atoms? Because you have to tell the reason to me, not to me but in general. Why they are actually taking example hydrogen atom? They used to write, why? Magnesium atom. Have you seen in any place? Because the problem will be the problem will be simple. Only now I hear your voice. The problem will be simple. When the elements, the problems are small in number, then you can easily solve the problem. Similarly, in our house, if 8 children are there in a house, then maybe not now, in my days, right? 8 children are there in a house, all the 8 children will ask as many things as possible to the parents. If only one child as now is there, then everything is for that child. Parents also will be no problem. They also will be having no problem. The child also. Anything my father fetches is for me. Sure. Psychological story is there on the other side, it goes on the other way. But for the problem is concerned, hydrogen atom is having. So we can deal with that one alone. Now, if you do have 2 electrons, if you do have 2, you give an example. Next to hydrogen. See, periodic table is there in chemistry, no? Do you, can you say the entire periodic table without seeing it? How can be? Can you say that the entire periodic table elements without seeing it? No. Very easy to see. If I start to write it now, I can start with that end to this end and this color to that color. How is it made possible to write all the elements? How many elements are there? Do you know that first at least? No. You say this no or that no. You say no or no. You say this no, right? Very good. The song, whenever I go and ask the questions to many people, they say and no. They don't say K no W no. Why? Periodic table elements have to be taught to you in school days even how to remember the periodic table. Very simple. Very simple. Go, have it as an assignment, go back to your house, how to remember it. In some book, so at least it would have been written, or now you have on your cell phones, go and click in how to remember the periodic table elements. Put it as a search word, you will get the answer. And do commit me, take it as an assignment. Right? There is of course a chance to keep it in mind all the periodic table elements. Why I am saying this in this place? Why I am saying this bit of idea in this place? I have asked you to say one more element which is having 2 electrons. Yes, please? Helium. So, my dear, I am very happy for some people to say answers. To start with one set. Another one says helium 2 atom. Right, 2 electron atoms. Then 3 electron atoms. Likewise it goes. We need not go for that. Now 2 electrons are here. Now our problem is also with 2. J is equal to J1 plus J2. We go back to that. So these things will be very strong. Whenever you hit a century or hit a sixer, I used to play my own game, tennis. Whenever I hit a ball very correctly, after hitting that ball I used to have, how to call this in English? How to call this in English? How to say it? Yeah. Nothing we know, sir. Anything you ask, we will not say any answer to you. Challenge. You don't say like that. Right? Very simple things. You know all the things, you know. You will not say me, sir, what are you doing? And we don't understand. Will you say like that? No. You know what I am doing. Yeah. Yes, you know. But you don't know how to say it out. This is not good. Okay, you go back for everything, whether it's in the subject or it's in general. Yeah, yes, we get it. Do say like that. No. You have to say, right? You go back. Hydrogen, helium, and etc. Periodic table elements could be set in your mind very easily. Second group elements, fourth group elements. 2A, 2B, 4A, 4B, 6A. Rare elements are also there, you know. Where they would be in the bottom line. So periodic table elements, you want me to take a separate class for that? Go and search for all the periodic table elements, you can have it in your mind. Very simple thing. Okay, leave it. I want hydrogen and helium. So why the hydrogen and helium have been given as examples for your problem? Understand? Why hydrogen and helium have been continuously given as examples? Reason is this one only. Right? This is having only one electron and this is having two electrons. Right? Why I am taking this because J1 and J2. Now tell me J1 and J2. J1 and J2. J1 and J2 are two. J you know it as total angular momentum. J1. My dear young boy, I'm fast if you do ask me and if you allow me to go for my own style of spoken, then it will be the outer blast. See, why? I have 5 apples in my hand. I have 5 apples in my hand. Apple. I have 5 apples in my hand. I give each one apple. 5 students. Alright, 5 students, 5 apples. So 5 is equal to 2, right? 3 plus 2, then this is 5 apple. And what this would be? 3 is again the number of apples alone. So these are all 5 pens. Then this 3 pens. Right? You are just adding these two, that's all. Now you come back to business. J is the total angular momentum. J is equal to J1 plus J2, I do right now. J1 stands for total. Again J1 is total angular momentum of one electron, one body, one man, one element, one thing. J1 is also equal to the total angular momentum for one electron. J2 is also there for other electrons. So in order to solve problems like this, we are having addition of angular momentum. Now, after this, we know what that J square, J1 square, J2 square, Jz. What else we can go for? J square, J1 square, J2 square, Jz. You are having in your notes, it's right. I hope you are having in your notes. Yes. Yes, it's in the notes. Yes, please. Whether it is, yes, it is here. Simultaneous eigenfunctions of J1 square, J2 square. J1 square I divided here. J1 Z square also you can write. J2 j2 square. J square is equal to j you have in here, right? You take this as a problem. Have me to write this as j1 plus j2 the whole square or
j1 square plus j2 square.
Madam, what's square on possible for me? What actually asking me to go and that square? A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to very. You are actually asking me or taking me down, and below this I cannot go. A plus b whole square is equal to
j1 plus j1.
I am asking you now a plus b whole square. Don't go back and say j1 and j2.
j1 square plus j2.
I am asking you now. I am standing in the platform. When I was asking that, you are not saying. When I am giving an example, you are saying that. No. A plus b whole square is equal to j, right? A square plus j. Now here,
j1 square plus j2 square plus
j1
j2
square plus j2 square plus 2j1 j2. 2j1 j2. Is it there? Just say 2j1 j2. I would have written in the notes as j1 j2 plus j2 j1. You see your notes? It will be like that. J square is equal to j1 square plus j2 square plus j1 j2 plus j2 j1. Is it there or not? Do you have it or not? Do you have, as I said, or not? You don't have? You do have it or not? Yes. To answer for all the questions which are asked by me here, you have to read the notes very carefully. So it's there. J square is equal to j1 square plus j2 square. I used to write in that side, but